Imagine running faster than Usain Bolt, lifting weights like the Hulk, or even controlling devices with just your thoughts. Sounds like science fiction, right?
But what if I told you, technology is actually turning this into reality?
From brain-computer interfaces to robotic limbs, technology is pushing human limits. The question is, are we ready to become superhuman? Let's find out.
Lifting a car might still be out of reach for now, but exoskeletons are giving people super strength. Think about construction workers, factory employees, or even soldiers carrying heavy gear effortlessly.
Companies like Sarcos Robotics and Bionics have developed wearable exoskeletons that amplify human strength. They reduce fatigue and even help paralyzed patients walk again. A true game changer.
Remember Iron Man's helmet? With augmented reality, we're getting closer to seeing like Tony Stark. AR glasses overlay digital information in real time, helping doctors during surgery or even letting engineers fix machines without manuals.
But what about people who cannot see at all? Scientists have developed bionic eyes, such as the Exoskeleton, which help blind people perceive light and shapes. And brain implants like Elon Musk's Neuralink. They could one day allow us to control devices with just our thoughts.
What if I told you that hacking your own body is now a thing? Biohackers are already implanting chips under their skin to unlock doors, make payments, and even track their health.
And then there's genetic engineering. Scientists are experimenting with CRISPR technology to enhance human muscles, making them stronger and more resistant to fatigue. Could we one day create real-life Captain Americas? Perhaps.
But wait, is this all too good to be true? Imagine a world where only the rich can afford enhancements. Would we create a new class divide between enhanced and natural humans?
And let's not forget security concerns. If our brains are connected to computers, could they be hacked? Could someone control our thoughts? Technology might make us superhuman, but it also brings super risks.
So, will technology turn us into superheroes or create a sci-fi nightmare? The choice is ours.
One thing is certain, the future of humanity is being rewritten by technology. The question is, how far are we willing to go?
If you loved this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Would you embrace superhuman tech or stay 100% human? Let us know in the comments.
Until next time, stay curious and maybe a little superhuman. Au revoir!